All right, today I'm taking a look at the AstroAI electric pump air compressor. We got some nozzles, and we got the unit. So fairly light, which is good. I like that. It's not like super light, but it's light enough that I can actually carry this thing around. So I do like that. And we've got a couple of plugs. So this goes to AC power, and then this side has DC power. So I really like that. Most of these things are one or the other, but this, you can actually plug this into your car or the outlet right at your house. So that's awesome. Gonna make that real nice for me because now I don't have to go get my adapter. I can just use it right here. There's a lot of wire fit in the bottom. Oh, wow, look at that. So it actually has what looks like a little battery holder here. So you could potentially plug one of those portable batteries in here and use this thing without any wires at all. That's really cool. Got a couple different nozzles, depending on what you're trying to air up. Geez, that's got stuff all over the place. So we can do a basketball, and then we can just put this in like one of those little floaties, that kind of thing. Okay, I actually like how that fits together. It's nice having everything right there. Our hose. So this guy can plug in here. This kind of locks in. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Okay, so it's got adapters. We got a little light on the side. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Okay. So we got lights. That's good. So if we need to read our tire at night, that'll make it a lot easier, especially for my old eyes. So right now on the right side it says bar. And then we got KPA and PSI. I almost always use PSI, so that's going to be what I'm going to be keeping it on, but it's nice that it gives you those options. And then we can adjust it. So right now I'm hitting up. 34. And then when I click it back over to the left, we got pressure. So that's pretty cool. So it's not really as high pressure, but it's more like a light breeze. So if I wanted to just blow out my computer, use this as a duster, I could definitely do that. So that's cool. Oh yeah. So this one gives a lot more volume, the middle nozzle. Yep. Okay, so that's what it is. So this gives less volume to most volume. And then this just is completely unrestricted. So, cool. That's pretty nice. So I could definitely see using that thing for dusting out computers or even just blowing off a dusty workbench. Like that's actually really cool. I need 32 PSI on these tires. There you go, topped it off. It stops on its own. That's exactly what I want. Let's make it a little darker so it's easier to see. It's real easy to see with the eye, but I'm just making it easier for the camera, but you can see it's right at 32 PSI. So overall, pretty awesome unit. I mean, just the versatility on this thing is awesome with the duster, the compressor, the 2 power sources that this thing can use. This is one of the best compressors I've ever used.